Every sound carries a story. And this is the story of a Congo, 20 years old, that once filled the church with rhythm, worship, and praise. Drum. Through time, it served faithfully, every beat echoing with joy, prayer, and devotion. But as the years passed, the shine faded, the sound grew tired, and the instrument grew silent. Yet we believed what once carried praise could sing again. So we began the journey of restoration, step by step, with patience, care, and love. First came the cleaning, removing the dust of the years, uncovering the beauty beneath. Then the sanding, smoothing every mark and memory that time had left behind. Next came the colors, the transformation.
Apa nih itu ya? Apa nih itu ya?
basin stand, now glowing in a rich metallic red, symbolizing strength and new life. The drum body, golden, shining with grace and history. The key and screws, silver, small but vital, representing precision and purity. Slowly, the old Congo began to shine again, not just in color, but in spirit. Sparkles. Every brush of paint, every turn of the key felt like a prayer of gratitude, thanking God for the gift of music that never truly fades. Piece by piece, it came back to life, the same instrument, yet completely renewed. And when we placed it back in the church, it wasn't just an instrument anymore. It was a testimony, a reminder that what seems old can be made new again through love, dedication, and faith. Red Heart. Today, this Congo stands proudly, golden, red, and silver, ready to praise the Lord once more. Dove. Its rhythm speaks of revival. Its shine reflects grace. And its sound, once again, fills the church with joy. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Psalm 150, verse 6. This is more than restoration. It's renewal. It's worship. It's faith made visible.